aming second day here in Malapascua. It's been raining non-stop since 12 midnight, and I have a trip scheduled to Kalanggaman Island Leyte today at 9 a.m. It's now 8 in the morning. I don't think it's gonna happen. For the past few days, it's been raining, and I think this is a sign for me to come home to Manila and end my Southern Luzon to Visayas journey. Hopefully, it'll die down soon so that I can enjoy Malapascua at least and explore the small island. Okay guys, finally, the rain decided to stop. It's around 2 p.m. and I haven't eaten that much. Now I'm gonna go find some place to eat. Currently uploading my Dumaguete, Siquijor, and Apo Island vlog. I'm gonna put the link below if you guys haven't seen that yet. Now it's peaceful. There's not much people. I like my beachfront because there's not much people, unlike the other hotels. But there's a lot of hotels actually. The locals said that it's not as busy as it was 2 weeks ago, which is good for me. I find it nice to finally get to do a little bit of work because I've been traveling, like I said, I've been traveling non-stop. Today is my 20th day and I've been running around and commuting from jeepneys, tricycles, bus, habal-habal, boat, ferry. It's so quiet. It's quiet right now, even if it's a Saturday. Today's a Saturday. It's not much people. Okay, I'm gonna explore a bit of the backside of the main beach. This is the main beach. Just ask the locals where the main beach is. It's so gloomy. Today is the second day of June, which means start of the rainy season here in the Philippines. The waves are stronger than what it was yesterday. I'm passing inside the village and I honestly don't know where I am going, but people just said, okay, just go straight. There's a lot of food areas here, and I'm like, okay, sige. Hope I won't get lost.
Few minutes later.
Still no restaurants in sight. I'm in the village. Mayong hapon, saan po yung Villa Sandra?
Doon.
Doon pa po, diretso lang.
Diretso.
Okay, salamat po. Medyo baha guys. Super adventure. Guys, sumabit na ako sa Yero. Pero diretso pa din. Saan na ba? Saan yung Villa Sandra? Ay, okay. Thank you! Salamat! Okay.
Dito.
Kanan. Salamat! Vegetarian, vegan, restaurant, native cuisine. Don't panic, it's organic. Ay, salamat! Okay. Hi! Sarap ng tulog niya. Finally found this hostel, which one of my viewers recommended. It's a pretty hip hostel. I like it. I like it, the vibe, and look, it's Wang Od. She is one of the only living national artists here in the Philippines. Ay nako, so many basura. How hard is it? How hard is it to pick up your own trash, guys, and throw it in a proper waste bin? I don't understand. How hard is it to pick up your trash and put it in a proper waste bin? Diba? only takes few minutes of your time to pick up the trash that you see laying on the beach. If you see it, pick it up. There's always a trash can nearby. So I didn't do that much yesterday, and then I got bored in the afternoon. While I was walking at the beach, I saw a lot of trash. I have a small plastic bag with me. Next thing I knew, it's full already. No one cleans up the beach. Malapascua is known for having rich, diverse marine life. There's like treasure sharks here, there's sea turtles. People go here for scuba diving, and there's even whale sharks sometimes. So imagine these animals consuming these trash. We take nice photos on Instagram, like sometimes even an hour just to take photos, but it only takes a little amount of our time to pick up those trash that we see, even if it's not ours. There's a lot of irresponsible travelers out there. I shared this photo on Instagram and on my Facebook. We only have one planet Earth. It's not even ours. We're just living here, so please take good care of it. By using this platform and you guys watching my travel vlogs, it lets you see what are current environmental issues, and I think that is something that I cannot just be quiet about. Heartbreaking to see such beautiful places being trashed by our own fault. Anyway, I'll catch you guys later. I think I might have forget to explain to you guys how to get to Malapascua Island, because you know your girl is so tired when I arrive. But anyway, to get here, take a bus to Maya or a shuttle. Tell the driver you're going to Malapascua Island, and then take a tricycle to Maya Port. This is where I am right now. The pump boat fee to Malapascua Island is 100. Hey guys, it's your girl back in Manila. I know it's been a year since I went to Malapascua, and the reason behind it is because I thought I lost the clips that I took. On my last day in Malapascua, I was supposed to go to Kalanggaman Island, but unfortunately, due to bad weather, I had to cancel the trip. For some reason, the tour guide was like, okay, we're gonna push through 9 a.m, blah blah blah, be there. Dude, there's a typhoon outside. You care about losing your customers, but you don't care about their safety. So I think there was like a 2-3 hours no rain, so I decided to swim at the ocean. But then unfortunately, I saw a lot of garbage scattered around because of the typhoon. Most likely it was washed away from the big waves or whatever. It breaks my heart to see this amount of garbage, and the locals didn't actually care. 2 sacks of empty rice is not enough to pick all of these trashes that was left behind. The tourists take so many beautiful photos, but does not care about their surroundings. Like I said earlier in this video, I think I was wearing the same shirt. As you can tell, I love this shirt so much. I think I bought this in Siargao, and it's quite expensive. Like for me, 1,500 pesos is expensive. Okay, I'm a cheap ass like that. And the next day, I went back to Cebu City, and from Maya Port, I took a shuttle directly to Cebu City, which is 180 pesos. Left Cebu City the next day, back to Manila. This vlog should have been a travel guide. I've always done travel guides. This is a little bit different from all of the vlogs that I made, so I still hope that you like this vlog, even if it's just a short one, even if it's like, you know, there's nothing much going on. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, share it to your friends, share it to your family, spread the awareness about our current environmental situation, and I hope you guys stay woke. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next travel vlog. Bye! Love you all.